we should see the implementation of ANDGate using Tinkercad. So let us open the Tinkercad to execute it. Now take a breadboard. So let us explain what is a breadboard. This is a negative terminal and this one is a positive terminal, and the connection be given in only this line, the column wise. So when we should take an IC and you should place them in between this line. So now let us take the components. Now two side switches which can be represented as, so you can take a note on this. Represent this is a and take another one and represent this as B. More clarity that we are giving and what connections we are giving. So we're giving that name. So take one resistor and place it here, and then one LED. So the LED has two terminals, one is anode and another one is cathode. So that anode should be given to the resistor, and we should take the power supply. The reason for using the resistor is the LED can't able to stand the high voltage. So that's why we're taking the resistor. So left side, that is a power supply to the circuit. So and now the most important one is IC. What type of IC that we are going to use? So here we are taking for ANDGate IC7408. Now the connecting wires. So here we observe that in the logic diagram we have two inputs A and B, and here we are taking the two inputs A and B. The two inputs means we are taking a slide switch, and A is given as one of the input and B is given as another input, and the output should be observed then. So now that A is given to one input and the B is given to other input for the IC. So the pin number has total 14 pins. So that 1 and 2 for the input, and third one that we have given to the output. So that is given to that resistor. So now give the positive and negative power supply. So let us take for the black color, that denote for negative supply, and connect the negative supply here. So the ground supply, and then another terminal of the LED is cathode. So that should be given to the ground, and the power in the IC ground should be given here in the ground. So in slide switch, in both slide switches, one power supply and another one is ground. So this is a common terminal, and this is a terminal 1 and this is terminal 2. Terminal 1 and terminal 2 are given to a power supply and the ground. So terminal 2 is given to this ground. So here also terminal 2 is given to ground. So now give positive supply. So that red color has been taken and is placed here. You can also adjust this wire here. So take a line from this and connect here in this IC. So give this power position, and this power supply pin is given here to the positive value, and this one is connected here in the black color line has been taken. Now let us observe the output. So you can observe here in the slide switch, this is a switch out to on and off. So if the slide switches to the left side, then it is on, means 1, and if the switches to the right side means it will be considered as off. Now let us on both of them, then the LED is on. So if you have to verify this truth table, so when both the inputs are high, then the output is low. Sorry, when both inputs are high, the output is high. So the LED is glowing. So if any one of them is low or both are low, means we are getting the output as 0. That is that condition. So suppose if we are giving a 0 0 or 0 1 or 1 0, means we are getting 0 output. So when both the inputs are high only, means we are getting the output as 1 and the LED is glowing. So this is how